I've got a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, 3.7 liter V6. Originally came in with a blown head gasket diagnosis from coolant blowing out of the radiator cap, getting on the airbox, all that fun stuff, the usual. What I found is the coolant pressure or temperature sensor wasn't reading at all, and when it did it randomly. Well, there was water pulled up in here. Let's see if I can get it to focus for you. You can see the corrosion. My pigtail will show it better. There we go. You can see the corrosion in the pigtail. Cooling fan wasn't kicking on in time, or it was staying on upon startup, even when cold. So it would take forever to get heated up. No corrosion in there, just wet from all the coolant blowing out. Sure, it's gonna pose us an issue later. And see, we got plenty of coolant leaks here. And I did leak down tests on it. Couldn't come up with a conclusion. Combustion gas tests all pointed to not a blown head gasket, but it was overheating some. I assume. Couldn't tell because the temperature sensor wasn't working conveniently. But these are fairly simple. Make your life easy. Take off the fan shroud. Just move these guys out of the way. Alternator, AC, set them out of the way. No reason to get hasty and make it difficult for those of you that do your own work at home. But we'll repair this, and hopefully no blown head gaskets. If so, we'll be tearing it back down.